Hello, everyone, and namaste. Welcome back. And today, as you can see my settings, today we're back to meditation. So, today's meditation is about courage, which all of us need. Sometimes we're so scared of the things that's happening right outside of this building, right outside of this room. Things are going on, and we cannot predict what is coming up next. So we're always hiding ourselves in this little shell and refuse to break through. So today is all about observing the body, observing your breath. So we're going to be counting our breathing. So each inhale is 5 counts and each exhale is 5 counts. We'll be doing that for the rest 10 minutes. And every time you had a little thoughts that's come in and it's all about bravery and courage, I want you to analyze it and try not to engage too much with it. So it's going to come and go like the stream in the ocean or the stream in the river. So it's just going to come and go. Just let it go and just be yourself. Take a moment of your time and just concentrate on your breath. All right. So we're going to begin by sitting in a very comfortable position. I'm in my cross-legged position, sitting on top of my favorite cushion. So hands on your knees, just resting here, and I want you to just roll that shoulders back and forth. You can begin by just closing your eyes and just hand resting gently and softly on top of your knee. And begin to observe your surrounding. Observe the sound. Observe the smells. And even observe the temperature that your skin is experiencing. And gently bringing the awareness slowly back to the body. And begin to observe, scanning from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. And begin to observe any comfort or discomfort feeling in your body. And training your mind to let it go instead of holding on to that feeling. And remember, just picture the river, the stream in the river that just constantly flowing. And just let the mind do the same thing. All the thoughts that come into your mind, just want to let it go. Let the breath do its job. And slowly, we're going to bring the awareness to your breath. Now let the breath be the center of your intention. If you happen to write on a thought and drift away, let the breath brings you back to the center of this intention. And we begin by counting your breath. As you inhale, count up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just continue with the same pace, the same counting in your head. If you have lost halfway, then just don't panic or don't worry about it. Come back to 1 again and start counting. As you begin to notice, you're taking your time with your breath. Very slow and natural inhale and exhale. Give your thoughts a rest and just bringing all the awareness to your breath. Knowing that each and every one of us brings out different uniqueness in us. Always hold on to yourself. Hold on to the courage inside of you, somewhere inside of you, and just let it blossom. Training the breath and training the body to handle different kind of situation. Continue with the counting of your breath. You might find that your rhythm or pacing has gone a little bit faster, or maybe has gone a little bit slower. Try not to adjust anything. Instead, observe the counting. Begin to send gratitude to yourself, and also sending all the loving kindness to everyone surrounding you. And then slowly bring the awareness back to your body again if you happen to drift off. Let your surrounding become a little bit more familiar. The sound, the smell. And slowly let go of your counting. And just let your breath do its job. Whenever you're ready, you can slowly open up your eyes and pause for a moment. Creating a soft gaze in front of you. Finding the calmness in your body. And whenever you're ready, just come back and begin to roll that shoulders back and forth. Maybe you want to turn your head to the right and left, up and down. Maybe you rotate your neck here. And come back to center. Alright, thank you so much for joining me today's meditation, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and find that courage within you. Alright, so leap, step outside and enjoy yourself. And I see you guys tomorrow, and namaste.